Last time when we run ICC shell, we encountered this error message. So let me show you this again. First, we source our environment setting. Then we type ICC shell command, and this shows you the library libqtgui.so.4 is missing, right? This file cannot be found. In this case, if you go to Debian package website, you will see nothing in bookworm. However, if you search, let me enlarge this. If you search the older version, actually, this file is in the package of Buster. This is an older package file. The package name is libqtgui4. So we needed to install it manually. You needed to download this file, libqtgui4. You needed to go here and MD64. Click this. Then we needed to download this file, lib. This is from security. You can see that this file is from security.debian.org. So we needed to download this here directly. We cannot download this from the Debian archive website. Okay, we may download this file, wget. I will skip the searching part because I have tell you so many times, right? So I won't explain this. I won't explain this further. Now we have libqtgui4 under 9 blah blah blah. The file name is very long, so I will skip it. You can use UNAR to extract this file. We use UNAR to extract this file into a new directory. Okay, so we use UNAR to extract it. It will extract these files. Then if you type ls-l, you will see a new directory here. This is the new directory. It just extracted. So we go to this directory. We go to this directory and let me show you. If you type ls-l, you will see another data.tar.xz file. And this time you can type trxfva data.tar.xz to extract. You see? There, these two files. So what should we do? We can type cp-a./user lib x86 to user lib. Then we can type ls-l user lib x86 lib qtgui.so star. Right? Oh, sorry. GUI. This one is the sublink to this file. Now we can run ICC command again, and you will see it encountered another missing file. So we needed to fix this later. Understand? So we needed to deal with this problem one by one. This will take us a lot of time because it has software dependency with a lot of libqt files. Understand? So we needed to do this. We can see so I will let you to use the computer to solve this problem now. Then later we will explain how to solve this problem later.